This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the Telstra 5G modem box and remove the modem, adapter, and documentation. Locate the SIM slot and insert your activated Telstra 5G SIM until it clicks into place. Connect the supplied power adapter and plug the modem into mains power. Press the power button and watch the front LEDs initialize. Wait patiently until the 5G LED turns a solid green light. This indicates the modem has registered on the Telstra 5G network and is ready for setup. On your laptop or phone, find the default SSID and Wi-Fi password printed on the modem sticker. Connect to that SSID using the printed password and open a browser. The setup wizard should load automatically and guide you through connection verification. Follow prompts to change the Wi-Fi name and set a strong password. Enable WPA2 or WPA3 security in wireless settings for encryption. Save changes and reconnect devices with the new network credentials when prompted. Position the modem near a window or on a high shelf to improve 5G reception. Avoid enclosed cabinets and metal obstructions that reduce signal strength and throughput. For gaming or streaming devices, use an Ethernet cable to ensure consistent wired speeds and low latency. If you lose connection or see an error LED, perform a restart by powering down and waiting 10 seconds. Reinsert the SIM if restart fails. Contact Telstra support with your modem serial number if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.